Good morning, everyone. Simply Trends Trading over here, and time for our market overview. Possible trading opportunities for today, Monday, the 25th of July. It's around about 11:30 GMT. Now we're going to run through a couple of currency pairs, and then we're going to finish it off with gold. First of all, looking at the Euro USD. Now, guys, two things before I continue. First of all, I trade technical analysis. I don't really pay too much attention to fundamentals. I've learned over the years that when you trade on the 1 hour and the 4 hour chart, fundamentals, those announcements, the market still reacts within the technical analysis parameters. So if you're a fundamental trader, great. If it works for you, fantastic. You don't have to slate me for saying what I'm saying about fundamentals. I've just learned that 9 out of 10 times it doesn't really topple the apple cart. So that's the first thing. The second thing is my trading method that I've settled on over the years is based purely on two things: trendline breaks and previous market levels. I find that to be the easiest and most stable trading method around. So first of all, looking at the Euro US dollar, we can see that on Friday it finished on a lower low over here, formed a lowest point over there. That was the lowest point for Friday's trading, and the market seems to now be retracing towards, at least towards this trend line over here. Now, how do I suggest we place our pending orders here? I would first want to see what the market does at this trend line over here, and therefore I would be happy to trade it. If it breaks the trend line, I would be happy to enter the market just slightly above this level over here where this red line was drawn in, and I would be looking to take profit at the first profit level over here, the second profit level over here, and the third profit level over there. Guys, if you want the detailed entry levels and profit levels that I use, there's an email address in the description box below. Please drop me a mail and I'll get back to you on how to obtain the levels. That's free of charge, don't worry about it. So that's the Euro US dollar. For a possible bullish trade, enter just above this level over here. Now, if the market turns around at this trend line over here, I wouldn't immediately jump in, even if it forms a new high at this trend line. I would ideally wait for the market to drop slightly below this point over here before I would enter into a short trade. US dollar, Japanese yen. We can see that the market is channeling a bit at the moment, and therefore I've placed pending order trades both north in a long expected trade as well as south, shorting the market. Because why not profit from a possible breakout out of this channel? Again, these levels can be emailed to you. US dollar, Canadian dollar, we can see that the trend here is very much up. We can see that higher highs have been forming, higher lows have been forming, and a long-term trend line has been broken. Again, guys, I'm a little bit careful about the placement of my pending order, my entry level. We can see that if I want to be a little bit adventurous, I can place the entry order, the pending order at this level here. However, the next level is quite close to it, and I would be more comfortable placing a pending order slightly above this level and taking profit at this level over here. Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. Interesting one. We can see that the medium-term trend line has been well and truly taken out, and the market has been breaking through previous levels. It's currently trading below that level. It has traded below that level as well over there. Again, I would prefer to place my entry level just below this level over here, place my first profit level over here, and my second profit level I haven't yet drawn in. Let me quickly do that. I would look to profit just above this trend line over here, because that's what the market usually does, guys. When it breaks through one trend line, it heads towards the next trend line. So entry point just below that level over there, first profit level over there, which is this previous level, which was also tested over there and over there, and then the second profit level also within the region that the market traded over there previously, and also just slightly above this trend line over here. Aussie dollar, US dollar. I'm currently in this trade. I entered this trade when the market took out this little level over here, and I've placed another pending order over here going long. First profit levels, two of them just below this trend line over here, and then one profit level just above this trend line over here should the market take this trend line out, which I think is quite possible, and then going after this level over here. So that's the Aussie dollar, US dollar. The Kiwi dollar, US dollar, we can see once again a trend line, the uptrend line was very clearly broken. We don't even have to draw it in. It's quite clear. It was broken, and we expect the market to now start taking out previous levels, which is exactly why I've placed an entry order just below this level here, which was formed more or less Thursday, Friday, and first profit level at this level here, second profit level over there, and even a third profit level over there. Now, if you guys want to know how to figure out these different profit levels, again, drop me a mail and I'll send you a little bit of a breakdown. Again, email address in the description box below. Aussie, New Zealand, what are the Kiwis doing with regards to the Wallabies? You can see again a very long-term trend line on the 4-hour chart, very clearly broken. Over here, market came back, tested this trend line over there, and is now in an upward trend and is currently adhering to the inner trend line over here. Again, an entry opportunity just above this level over here. However, again, just like on a previous currency pair, I think this level over here is a little bit close. It's this one here. It's a little bit close to this level over here. I would feel more comfortable placing my entry order at this level, first profit level here, which is that level over there, and the third profit level over there, which is that level over there. So those are the currency pairs we're dealing with today, guys. Now a quick look at gold. Gold has been hovering around this level over here for the last 1 or 2 trading days, and we can see there's an inner trend line running over here and an outer trend line running over here. And I could have placed my entry order just below this level over here. However, this trend line over here might just be touched and the market might decide to bounce back north. So I kept my entry order level below this trend line over here, which is also slightly below this level over here, and looking to profit just above this trend line over here, with my stop loss comfortably above this trend line. Once the market enters here, once it takes me in, my stop loss would be comfortably above this trend line here, should the market then come back and test the back of this trend line. Guys, I hope this was helpful to you. Please do feel free to share this video as much as you like. This information is free of charge. And again, if you want these actual levels to be given to you, please drop me an email and I'll send you the necessary info. Again, that's also free of charge. Thanks again, guys. Do hit like, do subscribe to the channel, make sure that you get the regular updates. And as always, trade safe.